Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to view your tabs as a grid in Google Chrome using a handy extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the main menu, then hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will reveal a submenu with several options related to managing your Chrome extensions. From that submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your browsing experience. The web store is where you'll find the extension we need for viewing tabs in a grid format. Once you're in the Chrome web store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, type Tile Tabs We and hit enter. This extension is specifically designed to help you organize and view multiple tabs in different grid layouts, making it much easier to work with several pages at once. When the search results appear, look for the Tile Tabs EU extension and click on it to open its detailed page. Here you'll find information about what the extension does and how it can improve your multi-tab browsing. On this page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it to begin the installation process. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to complete the process. The extension will install quickly and you'll see a confirmation message once it's successfully added to your browser. Now, to test out this extension, open a few new tabs in Chrome. For this example, let's open 4 tabs so you can see how the grid layout works with multiple pages. You can open any websites you like, just make sure you have at least 4 tabs open to demonstrate the grid feature effectively. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser again, just to the left of the 3-dot menu. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu showing all your installed extensions. Find Tile Tabs We in this list and click the pin icon next to it. This will keep the extensions icon visible in your toolbar for quick and easy access whenever you need it. Now right-click on the Tile Tabs WE icon that's now pinned to your toolbar. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on New Layout. This is where you can choose how you want your tabs to be arranged in a grid format. A submenu will appear showing you various layout options. For this example, click on 4 tabs horizontal grid. As soon as you select this option, all 4 of your open tabs will instantly rearrange themselves into a neat horizontal grid layout on your screen, allowing you to view all of them simultaneously without having to switch back and forth. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and used the Tile Tabs We extension to view your Chrome tabs in a grid layout. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.